Right now I will show you the best features of the Huawei Watch Fit 4. So first of all, there are the custom watch faces. So let's go for the devices real quick, and right here we can find the watch faces, and we can actually set up our custom watch face. This function right here, manage local watch faces, and we can set up our custom watch face. And this basically, you can edit your background, you can set up the custom picture right here from your gallery. Let's quickly take a look. As you can see, you can select the picture from your gallery, and right here you can customize it. Unlike the other watch faces, you can customize this one. So you can change the color of the background, which is pretty interesting. You can change the style of this clock right here, as you can see. You can change the font of this clock. You can also change the position depending on which style you're using. And here you can also change the color of the font of this time right here itself. And additionally, you can add up the two different little widgets to show you some data. There are a lot of options right here to show different things, like for example the battery. You can show the battery data and I don't know, heart rate data, and that is pretty cool. From there, simply press apply, and now that's the custom watch faces. The next thing I want to show you are the notifications, and you can manage those notifications pretty nicely. You'll have to go into these notifications on the application and allow these notifications right here. And additionally, here you can manage which applications are allowed to send notifications to your smartwatch. So as you can see, if I actually, for example, don't want notifications from Facebook application, I can disable them. And if I need notifications from, I don't know, calculator application, I can enable it, so I can pretty much nicely manage all of these notifications for my smartwatch. So that is very nice. Next thing I want to show you is the downloading applications, and you can download applications using the app gallery right here. So simply by going there, you have this list of all of these applications available, and there are various different applications for sports and health, and the camera application that you can use the wireless remote shutter, actually, the voice recorder, Spotify controller, some other stuff, a lot of different things, the navigations, and also there is the what is it called, the application for payments. You can actually pay with this watch. It does support payments, it does have NFC, but for some reason there is no application right here in this app gallery for the payments. It's called Quico Wallet, and it is not available for some reason. If you are watching this video after a couple of months after the release, there's a high possibility, there's a very high chance that this application actually got released, but for some reason it is not here. But this watch itself does support payments, so we don't know actually what's the reason for this not to be here. And yeah, basically you can use maps. You can install this Petal Maps application, you can install it on your phone, and you can use navigation on your watch. You can see the directions, it looks like this, so it's also very nice. And also this device actually has the GPS, so you can leave your phone at your home, at your house, and actually go for a workout only with your watch, and you can record all of the data, your trip, the path that you were training, and other stuff with this device only. So this is pretty nice. And also I want to show you real quick with these applications right here, and we have the games actually, but for now I only found one game, the Surfing Joe, which is kind of the Flappy Bird basically, but yeah, this is the only game right here. There are no more games for now, but as I just said, if you are watching this video after a few months after the release of this watch, there's a high chance that there might be more games actually and more applications in this app gallery right here. And next, what I want to show you is the ability to transfer music. So you can go for music right here, and you can manage music. You can transfer music files from your device to this watch, and that means basically that you can also connect headphones to this watch. Let me quickly show you. I have currently connected. I mean, I'm not connected to these headphones, but they are paired with this device. As you go for Bluetooth, here are these headphones right here. So this means that you can listen to music with this device. You can transfer music into this device. You can connect headphones to this device. So that is pretty cool. And also this device has a speaker that is built in right here. There is also the microphone and a barometer additionally. This one probably is the barometer. So this basically means that you can track the pressure on the right here when anywhere you are. As you can see, there is the barometer application, and you can track the pressure, air pressure right here. So that is also very cool. And because of this speaker right here, because of this microphone, we can also call. We can like manage calls right here, but I will actually show you that in a moment, because to actually perform a call with this watch, you'll have to go for the favorites contacts right here in this application. So as you go in the favorites, you can add your favorite contacts from the contacts list on your phone, and as you add all of these contacts, they are now available in the favorites list. And from here on your device, as you go into the application lists and find the contacts, here there is this contact, and as you tap on any contact that you want, you can actually call it, and you will be able to talk with this with anyone actually using this device. You will not be actually you can not only call, but you can also talk with this device, since it has the speaker and the microphone, so that is pretty nice. And speaking of contacting the connections, basically you can also answer messages. So like, you cannot unfortunately send messages directly, but if you receive a message, then you can answer it, and not only with the quick responses, but you can also like make your own message, the full message, and you can send it to anyone that sent you this message. Actually, you can actually answer this message. Yeah, that's what I meant. So yeah. And what I have the next thing to show you actually right here is the find lost watch. So let's actually go back to this application. By mistake I went out of this application, and right here there is this option to find device. And as you tap on this one and press this button to ring, this watch will begin to ring at the full volume, and it will like vibrate and all of this stuff, and you will be able to find it pretty easily. And the same thing applies actually if you lost your phone. You can also find your phone with your smartwatch. When you are having this smartwatch on your wrist, you can go for quick settings, and there's the button to find phone. So that is very nice. And what do we have next? What I want to show you are the alarms. So you can set up the alarm on your smartwatch. So for example, if you're having your phone like far away or something, basically you can just set up an alarm on your device. You can add an alarm, set it up, and you're having all of these alarms right here. You can manage them, and these alarms will go off on your watch. So that is also very cool. And also we have this function, the weather reports. You can enable it, and when enabled, the weather forecasts will be sent to your device. So that is very nice too. You can have a track of the weather nearby your city and stuff on the watch right here on your hand. So that's also very nice. And you can also change the temperature units to Celsius or to Fahrenheit. So very nice. We also have the health features, which is the health monitoring. Basically here we have the Huawei True Sleep. We can have a track of our sleeping. This device is monitoring our sleep, and we can see the sleep quality, the breathing patterns, and other stuff, basically with the sleep related. Also we have the continuous heart rate monitoring. We can monitor the heart rate with this device. And also what we can do is we can actually monitor the blood oxygen level right here, the SpO2. So that is also very cool feature to actually know, but unfortunately this device doesn't have the ECG or the arterial stiffness function right here. Only the Pro version of this watch does have it, but this one unfortunately doesn't. And what do we have next is the stress monitor. It's this one right here, additional emotions and stress records. If you're having this enabled and you're wearing this watch, this device will actually measure your emotions. It will detect your stress level related and other related information when you are resting, and some other stuff. And all of the rest things I want to show you right here is additionally you can measure the temperature of your skin, your body temperature. I mean, as you go down right here, you can see that there is a skin temperature. I didn't actually measure the skin temperature, but there is such a function, so that is pretty interesting. Right here you can measure the skin temperature. And what do we have next is the Strava and other applications. So as we go into the Me category right here, go for the privacy management and data sharing and authorization. You can share your device, you can link your device with some applications like for example Strava. So that is pretty much cool, very nice. And also the last two things I want to show you real quick are the always on display. So this device has always on display. You might notice because since this device is laying right here, it is always displaying this like watch right here, I mean this watch face. So as you go for this settings real quick, we can set up the always on display right here just like this. We can turn it on and change the settings of this always on display, so that is nice. And the last thing I want to show you the best feature of the one of the best features of this watch actually. As we go into the settings, we can actually have the down button. We can set up the shortcuts for the down button, and here as we select the press ones, in my personal opinion, the best shortcut is for the flashlight, because as you're having this flashlight right here selected for your shortcut, you can very quickly enable the flashlight. You don't have actually to unlock the watch, go for the app list and find the flashlight, but you can simply press this button and this will actually turn on this flashlight. But wait, we actually have to I'm just going to show you. I press it and this will enable the flashlight. That's very, very cool. And yeah, you can actually set up any shortcut right here. You can perform any action or launch any application that is available with this shortcut. And yeah, that would be basically all about all of these best features on the Huawei Watch Fit 4. Thank you for watching.